So now in this section, what we're going to do is we're going to insert data into that database table auth users. So first, let's query the database table to see how it looks when there's no data in it. So we're going to type select, let me move this out of the way, select all columns and all rows from, and the database table name is auth users. And we can see that it's empty. So now I'm going to go back over to our text file and we're going to paste in this statement right here. And I'll explain how this reads in a second. And I'll go back to the text file because it's a little more cleaner. So we're inserting into the database table auth users. And then over here we have the following columns. So inside of these columns, we're going to put the following values: Alice, password 1, and then email. So we're putting these values in. And coming back over here now, let's issue a query so we can see how that looks inside of the database table. So hitting the up arrow key a few times, hit enter, and now we can see the database table auth users. So now what we're going to use this database table for is we're actually going to set up, it's not in place yet, but we're going to set it up so that any users that authenticate through the HTML form are going to have to match a username password combination within this table. So now what we'll do to quit our session is we'll use the short form of a command by just typing \q and hit enter, and this will return us to a prompt.